Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. Guys, I recently did a video about popular Durban-based businessman and reality TV show man Umsamselik, you guys, who is also a polygamist, after I found an article online revealing that he is a spiritual healer and revealed that he couldn't heal his third wife, Otobile Makhumalo Mselik, from infertility. You guys, Tobile is not able to conceive, you guys. And people have accused Umzamselek for using Tobile as isithwalo bathi uthwele ngaye, you guys, so that he can acquire his wealth. I have seen a lot of comments, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and read them. But before I do that, please do make sure that you share your thoughts with me in the comments section, and you also share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Sindisiwe, you guys, wrote this, and she said, bayazibona ukuthi isiphi isivumelwano avumela ngaso, and lesi vumelwano is the reason angakhuleke, meaning they know what they agreed on, and that the agreement is the reason why Omakhumalo cannot be able to conceive. And then another one wrote, Musa and Tobile knows exactly why Tobile doesn't conceive. Iqiniso likubo boyitu bangadlali ngathi. The truth is in between the two of them. They shouldn't play with us. There is no shame here. People must stop godizing the things made by them. Well, guys, please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course, do make sure that you share this video so that whenever I try to upload a new video, you do not miss out. I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. Bye.